Hey there! Today, I'm going to walk you through starting a business the smart way, without all the usual stress and confusion that comes with it. You see, the thing is, most people jump into starting a business without really knowing what they're getting into. They have this great idea, get super excited, and then suddenly find themselves drowning in paperwork, legal requirements, and decisions they weren't prepared to make. But it doesn't have to be that way. So, let's talk about how to do this the right way. First things first, you need to lay a proper foundation. This means getting clear on 3 key things: your business idea, your target market, and your basic business structure. Now, I know this might sound obvious, but you would be amazed at how many people skip these fundamental steps. Well, when it comes to business structures, I usually recommend starting with an LLC for most small businesses. It's basically the sweet spot between protection and simplicity. You get personal liability protection, which means your personal assets are separate from your business, but without all the complexity of a corporation. Now, here's where a lot of people get stuck: actually forming their LLC. But honestly, it doesn't have to be complicated. I recommend using Taylor Brands for this part. They make the whole process super straightforward and handle all the paperwork for you. Actually, they will take care of everything from filing your formation documents to getting you a registered agent service. Let's talk about what this actually costs. So, with Taylor Brands, you are looking at around $299 for their complete LLC formation package, which covers all your essential paperwork and filing fees. Then there is the registered agent service, which runs about $120 per year. This is actually pretty reasonable considering they handle all your important legal documents and keep your personal address private. You might also want to consider their additional services, like getting an EIN number or having them draft an operating agreement, which can add another $100 to $200 to the total. Once your LLC is formed, you will need to set up some basic business systems. This means opening a business bank account, setting up a simple accounting system. I recommend starting with something basic like Wave or QuickBooks, and creating a way to track your income and expenses. The thing is, having these systems in place from the start will save you massive headaches down the road. Now, I know what you are thinking. Do I really need a business plan? Well, you do not need anything fancy, but you should have a basic roadmap. Actually, I recommend starting with a 1-page business plan that outlines your business concept, target market, basic financial projections, and marketing strategy. This keeps things simple while still giving you direction. So, marketing is where a lot of new businesses really struggle. But here's the thing: you do not need to be everywhere at once. Start with 1 or 2 marketing channels where your target customers actually hang out. If you are targeting professionals, maybe that is LinkedIn. If you are more consumer-focused, perhaps Instagram or Facebook makes more sense. The key is to start small and do it well. One of the biggest challenges for new business owners is managing their time and resources effectively. You see, when you first start out, you are wearing all the hats: CEO, marketing department, sales team, and customer service all rolled into one. The trick is to focus on the most important tasks first and gradually delegate or automate the rest as you grow. Let me share some common pitfalls to avoid. First, do not try to do everything yourself. Know when to get help. Second, do not underprice your products or services. Many new businesses make this mistake and struggle to raise prices later. And third, do not neglect your legal and tax obligations. This is where having a service like Taylor Brands really helps keep you compliant. Basically, once you have got your foundation set up, it is time to think about growth. But here's the important part: grow sustainably. Focus on getting regular, paying customers before you start thinking about scaling up. Make sure your systems can handle growth before you push for it. So, let me wrap this up with some concrete action items. First, decide on your business structure. Again, an LLC is usually the way to go for most small businesses. Then, head over to Taylor Brands. I will put a link in the description to get your LLC set up properly. After that, focus on setting up your basic business systems and starting your marketing efforts. The thing is, starting a business does not have to be overwhelming. By following these steps and using the right tools and services, you can get your business up and running without all the usual stress and confusion. And remember, you do not have to figure everything out at once. Just take it one step at a time. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more business tips and guides. And if you have any questions about starting your business, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your business journey.